Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Looking to buy a home but worried about the down payment? You might be thinking about your 401k. It's a smart question, as your retirement savings can feel like a significant resource. While it's not always the best idea, it is possible to use these funds for a down payment under specific circumstances. Let's explore how you can do it and what you should consider. When it comes to using your 401k for a down payment, you essentially have two paths. You can either take out a loan from your account, which you then pay back to yourself with interest, or, in very specific situations, you might qualify for a hardship withdrawal. These two options have very different rules and financial implications, so understanding each is crucial before making a decision. Taking a 401k loan is often the preferred method, as it avoids taxes and penalties. You're essentially borrowing money from yourself, and the interest you pay goes back into your own account. Repayment terms are usually quite flexible, allowing you 5 years, though if you leave your job, the loan might become due sooner. It's like giving yourself a temporary advance on your future earnings. The hardship withdrawal is far more restrictive and generally not recommended for a home down payment. This option is reserved for truly dire financial emergencies, and purchasing a home doesn't usually qualify. Plus, any money you withdraw is taxed as ordinary income, and if you're under 59.5, you'll also face an additional 10% penalty. This really impacts your retirement savings long term. Before deciding, consider the trade-offs carefully. While a 401k can provide immediate funds, it could also delay your retirement plans or reduce your overall nest egg. Think about the impact of lost investment gains on the money you're withdrawing. It's always wise to speak with a qualified financial advisor who can help you explore all your options and make the best decision for your unique financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.